Hello and welcome to Blackburn Audi. My name's Charlotte and today we'll be taking around this approved used 2022 edition Audi A1 Sportback that does come complemented in the modernised metallic Manhattan grey paintwork, delivering 95 PS and housing your petrol engine with your manual transmission. It is an ideal nippy city run around or as a first car, with plenty of top features including your LED headlights for enhanced visibility, 16-inch alloys and the protection of your power folding wing mirrors and parking sensors. The boot offers enough space to easily accommodate all of your daily essentials, whilst the cloth upholstery ensures maximum comfort with of course your fitted ISOFIX points for when installing car seats. Moving into the front, you do have the convenience of a multifunctional leather steering wheel with access to your central touch display and again your stylish cloth finish in the front as well. Moving on to the steering wheel in further detail, you do have an array of audio functions, including controls to navigate around your digital cockpit, displaying vital driving data, audio, navigation, and even your speed limiter and cruise control to assist when out on those open roads. Moving across, you do have similar access, again with your navigation for those unfamiliar areas, Bluetooth connection and radio stations. Moving across, of course, you do have your on-screen vehicle information alongside your driving assistance features for added safety, including your lane departure warning to reduce the chance of any collisions. You do also have all of your general settings alongside your user profile to store all of your preferences, followed by your manual air conditioning controls, handy power outlets and central cup holders. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video tour. For any further information regarding this vehicle, please contact our friendly sales team or inquire online now.